Navicular bone is all alone in the intermediate row of the tarsal bones. The name of the navicular bone is derived from its resemblance to a small boat. The navicular bone is the only bone that is present in the intermediate row of the tarsal bones. It is located between the head of the talus posteriorly and the three cuneiforms anteriorly. It is present on the medial aspect of the foot. Now talking about the articulation of this bone. It joins with the talus proximally, forming the articular facet of talus, and the medial, lateral and intermediate cuneiforms distally. Also articulates with the cuboid in the lateral position. A tuberosity can be seen and felt on the medial border of the foot 1 inch in front and below of the medial malleolus. In the distal row, there are 4 tarsal bones, the cuboid and the 3 cuneiforms. Let's discuss them.